If you want to know how to use Perplexity AI tool, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search tool that combines information from various sources to give concise and contextually rich answers. First, you need to access the website or the app if you use the app, right? Enter your query from here. Right? Type the question or the topic that you're interested in your search bar. Let's say, for example, youth flea, right? And be specific to get better results, and basically browse the results. Perplexity displays concise answers at the top, often summarizing information from multiple sources. It provides sources section where you can click to verify the information or explore further. And you can ask a follow-up question, right? You can refine your search by asking follow-up questions in the same chat to maintain context. And you're gonna be able to explore the features like the citation. Perplexity includes citations for its information, making it easy to check reliability. And if you prefer summaries of long articles or papers, Perplexity can provide those too. Right? And you can use that for content creation. As a YouTuber, you can use Perplexity to quickly research topics or find trending information backed by credible sources. Okay, so basically that's how you use your Perplexity for your research as a content creator or as an overall person who likes to read from different sources. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.